The title of today's Brandon's blog is What Happens to Credit Card Debt When You Die? A Widow's Huge Victory. As many of you know, at Ira Smith Trustee and Receiver, we not only help companies and individuals overcome their challenging debt situations, but we also act as independent estate trustees under the name Smith Estate Trustee Ontario. A question we are often asked is what happens to credit card debt when you die? And that is the topic of today's Brandon's blog. In the blog below, Brandon gives full information as to what happens to the credit card debt and what an estate trustee should be doing in order to recognize there may be a credit card debt, determine how much there is, and then determine where can that debt be paid for. Anyone that holds a credit card on the deceased's account as an associate or joint cardholder, the bank's position is that that person is also liable for the same credit card debt. And that is what people are advised. Well, one widow in British Columbia took on the Royal Bank of Canada when they came after her for the Visa credit card debt that was mainly her husband's. And how did she win? The bank had a lot of information about what their cardholder agreement says and how they always handle it, but they were not able to provide any evidence that this widow actually signed the cardholder agreement, or at least acknowledged she understood what the cardholder agreement said. And without that evidence, the judge throughout the case found her not liable to pay any of the credit card debt that she was a joint credit card holder on her deceased husband's account. So I hope you can read the entire Brandon's blog below, because it is full of good information, including how this British Columbia widow beat the Royal Bank of Canada. And if you have too much debt, you or your company, that's causing you sleepless nights and is making your life miserable, shoot us a message, give us a phone call. We have different ways in which we can eliminate the debt and get you back to profitable, healthy, stress-free life. So I hope you can watch till the end of this video, because I know you will find it informative.
Well,
Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to explore what happens to credit card debt when you die. Let's uncover the truth behind it. When someone passes away with credit card debt, the responsibility usually falls on their estate. The estate trustee notifies creditors and uses the estate's assets to settle the debt. But what if there aren't enough assets? In that case, the bank may look to the joint account holder or supplementary card holder for repayment. It's important to plan for credit card debt's impact on your estate. Credit card debt can In that case, the bank may look to the joint account holder or supplementary card holder for repayment. It's important to plan for credit card debt's impact on your estate. Credit card debt can greatly affect an individual's estate. Creditors have the right to claim against the estate, causing delays in distributing assets. If the debt exceeds the estate's value, bankruptcy may be advised. To handle credit card debt after death, the estate trustee should inform creditors and explore insurance coverage. Seek help from a financial advisor or legal expert. Checking for relevant life insurance policies can assist in covering debts. If there are sufficient assets, selling them can be an option. Identify valuable assets and liquidate them to generate funds for debt settlement. Work closely with professionals for a smooth process. Let's discuss a recent legal case between RBC and a widow. The bank claimed she owed a substantial amount, but failed to provide documentation. Clear documentation, individual liabilities, and burden of proof are crucial in financial disputes. Plan and understand the implications of credit card debt on your estate. Seek professional advice if facing financial challenges. Contact the Iris Smith team for tailored solutions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.